Now, we're going to wrap the pipe cleaners around the headband. Start by taking a black pipe cleaner and folding a thumb length to cover the base, then begin wrapping it in circles. You'll need about 4 black pipe cleaners. Next, let's make the first ghost design. Use a white pipe cleaner to twist the ghost frame and wrap it around. Then, take a small piece of white pipe cleaner to make the hands, giving it a more 3D look. Cut a small piece of black pipe cleaner to make the eyes. Now, for the second ghost design, this one with arms outstretched. Fold out the frame and begin wrap it. Then cut and shape black pipe cleaner into teardrop-shaped eyes, just like the previous. We need 3 goes for this headband design, so you can repeat one of these designs for the third. Next, let's create the gravestone shape. Take a red pipe cleaner, twist it into a frame, and wrap it to fill in the shape. Then, cut a piece of black pipe cleaner and shape it into a small cross to finish the look. We'll need 4 gravestones, varying the sizes to add depth to the arrangement. Now for the assembly, insert a white pipe cleaner through the middle layer, twist it to secure, then attach it to the headband. Do the same for the gravestone. Insert a pipe cleaner through the middle layer, leaving both ends out for easier attachment to the headband. For the final touch, twist some green pipe cleaners into grass shapes and secure them with hot glue. And there you have it, it's all done.